Hi, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today I'm going to show you a personality test activity that I've used in classes. It comes from a spam email that I received years ago called, I think it was called a Dalai Lama personality test. But what you do is you get each student, or maybe if you want to put them in small teams working together, a piece of paper, and then you are going to draw this on the whiteboard and have them copy this down exactly as it is. So in phase one, they're going to be doing some kind of interaction with these words: sheep, tiger, horse, cow, and pig. The words themselves don't really matter. This isn't an actual personality test. It's more just the concept. But I use the same ones that were in that spam email, and they can be in any order. Then in phase two, they're going to interact with these words: dog, cat, rat, chocolate, and ocean. And then finally 5 colors, but these 5 colors: orange, yellow, red, white, and green. And so in phase one, they're going to, you will instruct the students, okay, now that you've copied these down, rank these in order of your favorite being 1 and your least favorite being 5. So it will look like this. Okay, I often play along also, so for me, my favorite was sheep, my second favorite was horse, and then cow, tiger, pig. But the kids will want to copy you unless you're expressly clear about their choosing for themselves, which is your favorite. So my favorite is sheep, but how about you? They mark their favorite number 1, followed by 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the second part, okay, copy down these words, and this time don't rank them, but write an adjective that you think of when you think of this item. And it'll look like this. So there you go. When I think of dog, I think of the adjective loyal, cat, sneaky, a rat. To me, I chose dishonest, chocolate, bitter, and ocean, open. At this point, I also describe the concept of connotation in adjectives. So we have positive connotation in some adjectives like handsome or smart or strong. And we have negative connotation in some adjectives like sneaky or dishonest. And then we have neutral ones like the color purple. Well, that's not good or bad, but getting the students familiar with the idea of containing some inherent meaning within the adjective itself. Good or bad. It's an easy concept to teach. Finally, in phase 3, you're going to instruct them to think of the color and the first person that they really know in their life. You write down that person's name, or at least how you know that person. So I could write Peter, or I could write father. That's my father. That's who I'm thinking of. And it will look like this. So there you go. Now I've put a person that I've ascribed to this color. When I think of red, in my mind, I think of someone who's angry, and I wrote down boss, my boss. But they can do it however they want, and when they're all finished, it's time for the big reveal. And so here's what they mean. Here's what I tell them they mean. When you go through here, you're really thinking in the back of your mind. Now, this isn't true. When you go through here, though, you tell them you're thinking in the back of your mind of a sheep, but you link that idea to some level of importance of something. So let me show you the same way that I show my students. A sheep is how important in your life you feel your friends are. Tiger, so let's go in my order. Horse is about work or school. For the kids, I say school. Cow is about how important your family is to you. Tiger is yourself. And pig is how important money is in your life. In your deep mind, this is how important, the level of importance these things are. And then you ask the kids, do you agree? To you, are your friends the most important thing in your life? No, no, no. It's just fun to play along. Again, this has no basis in scientific reality, but it's just for fun for the kids to do. And then, how about this? You're describing a dog here, but what are you really talking about? You are describing how you feel about yourself. So in my classrooms, it's very funny. Sometimes someone will think of a dog as being dirty or scary or something like that, and I reveal that that really means that you feel yourself, you are dirty or you are scary. Is that true? No, it's not true. Just for fun. Sneaky. Is this your partner? A lot of the time my kids don't have a partner, they're little kids, so I just tell them this is the kind of person that you like or that you're attracted to. How about a rat? This is how you would describe your enemies. And then chocolate. Again, in the original thing, I think this was love life, but we just say, well, this is what your future love life is going to be. Oh no, bitter. Oh, so unfortunate. Wah, wah. And then how about the ocean? This is how you feel about your future. So again, this is more just for fun, but it gets the kids talking and interacting and understanding the idea of agreeing and disagreeing with things. Then this last part is kind of funny too. When you're describing someone that comes to your mind when you're thinking of the color orange, I tell them this is somebody that either can be or already is a good friend. Whoops, a good friend. And then how about yellow? This is someone you will never forget. And how about red? This is someone that you love, secretly you love. No, my boss, no, I don't love my boss at all. How about white? This is the kind of person you want to be, so like your idol. This is who I want to be like when I get older. And green. Green is like the same personality as you. Or maybe a soulmate if you have older students with more advanced vocabulary. Same personality. And then we just talk about that as a class and see if people agree or disagree. Either way, they have a lot of fun filling it out and talking about their answers. So I hope this works in your class, but it's something that my kids always enjoy. Thanks a lot.